gloves, a flame retardant jacket, and we're just going to get a helmet as well to make sure we don't blow our faces off. Come on! So here we are at the Beehive Firework Festival, one of the most dangerous festivals in the world. And basically what's about to happen is we're about to stand in front of a storm of fireworks hitting us in the face. I'm very serious. We decided to do this morning, and we met some amazing Chinese people, Taiwanese people. They've been so nice the entire time. Today's been an incredible experience. The most kind people I've ever met are the Taiwanese people so far from what I've seen. And so we're about to dive into the center of this hive, and let's see what happens. Something happening on the stage over here. This is absolutely incredible.
那babu OK?
I have no idea what's happening right now.